Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more. Let's look at an example to see how momentum changes during a collision. We have a ball with a mass of 60 grams. Now the ball is moving to the right at a speed of 2 meters per second. We are going to take motion to the right as the positive direction. Now to calculate the momentum before the collision, we use the equation P equals m times v. And then we substitute in the values. But remember, the mass of the ball is given in grams. And in the formula, the mass is in kilograms. So that means we have to convert from grams to kilograms. Now, 60 grams is equal to 0.06 kilograms. So let's substitute the known values into the formula. M is equal to 0.06 and v, which is the velocity, is equal to positive 2. This gives us a momentum of positive 0.12 kilogram meter per second. The momentum is positive because the ball is moving to the right. Now the ball hits the wall and it bounces back. After the collision, the ball moves in the opposite direction, which is to the left. Since right was defined as positive, motion to the left is negative. The speed is still 2 meters per second, but the velocity is now negative 2 meters per second. Now we calculate the momentum after the collision. So we use the same formula, P equals m times v. So P equals 0.06 times negative 2. This gives us a momentum of negative 0.12 kilogram meter per second. So the size of the momentum stayed the same, but the direction changed, which is why the momentum changed from positive to negative. Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.